Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TutorTalk English. I'm Lara, and this is day 3 of your Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. If you've made it this far, I just want to say I'm really proud of you. You've already built consistency, and that's something most learners struggle with. You've shown up again today, and that means you're serious about becoming fluent in English.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jack. Day 3. Wow, we're already halfway through the challenge. And you know what? You should celebrate that. Because showing up every day, even when you're busy or tired, that's what builds real improvement. So if you're here, give yourself a little smile. You're doing great.
Exactly, Jack. And today's focus is something really important: intonation and natural rhythm in English speaking. Intonation means the rise and fall of your voice, how you use tone to express emotion, attitude, or meaning. For example, listen carefully. Are you ready? Goes up at the end because it's a question. But I'm ready goes down because it's a statement.
That's right. When you speak with the right intonation, your English instantly sounds more natural and confident. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. So, in today's practice, we'll help you train your ear, your tongue, and your voice to move together smoothly.
Perfect. So, if you're ready, take a deep breath, sit up straight, and get ready to shadow. Remember, don't whisper, speak out loud with energy. This is your practice time. Let's go. Let's start with some simple warm-up lines. Just listen first, then speak along with me. Here we go. I believe in myself, and I can speak English confidently. Every mistake I make helps me improve. I am learning something new every single day. Speaking English feels easier and more natural with practice. My voice matters, and I'm learning to use it with confidence.
That's such a great way to begin, Lara. You know, when learners repeat these kinds of affirmations, it not only helps their pronunciation, it builds mindset. It changes how they think about learning English. Let's continue with a few more. Focus on the flow of your voice.
I'm not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. I speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Every time I speak, I get a little bit better. I trust the process, and I'm proud of my progress. Fluency is not a destination. It's a journey I enjoy every day.
That's the right attitude. If you think about it, nobody learns to speak perfectly overnight. Even native speakers make mistakes. The difference is they don't stop talking. And that's exactly what we want you to do. Keep talking. Keep practicing. Keep improving.
Well said, Jack. Now, let's move to some longer, natural English sentences that you can use in daily life. As always, listen carefully to my tone and rhythm, then shadow along with me. I'm learning to express my thoughts clearly in English. When I speak, I stay calm and take my time. It's okay if I need a moment to find the right word. I don't rush. I focus on communicating my message. Speaking English is becoming a natural part of my day.
I really like those lines. They sound natural and positive, just like real conversations. And you know, one of the biggest challenges English learners face is the fear of being judged when they speak. But guess what? Nobody is judging you. People just want to understand you. That's it.
Exactly. So stop worrying about sounding perfect. Instead, think about how you can connect through your words. Let's keep that energy going with the next set of sentences. I'm improving every time I speak English. My pronunciation is getting better every day. I listen carefully and try to copy natural English sounds. I enjoy learning because every new word helps me express myself better. I'm confident that I will speak fluently soon.
You're doing great.
And remember, this kind of shadowing practice is powerful because it teaches your mouth to move in new ways. English has its own rhythm, and you're training your voice to match that rhythm naturally. Let's continue with more sentences that help you feel the music of English.
I'm learning to use stress and tone naturally in my speech. I pay attention to how native speakers express emotion. My English voice sounds more confident each time I practice. I enjoy the sound of English words flowing together. I'm proud of how far I've come in my English journey.
That's perfect. And I love how those sentences make you feel motivated while practicing pronunciation. You know, Lara, learners often think that fluency means speaking fast, but that's not true. Fluency means speaking clearly and smoothly, even at a slow pace.
Yes, it's much better to speak slowly and clearly than fast and unclear. The goal is communication, not speed. Let's go with a few more natural phrases that focus on smooth speaking and clarity. I take my time when I speak. I speak clearly so others can understand me. I'm not afraid to pause and think before I talk. English is becoming a comfortable language for me. Every conversation helps me grow and gain confidence.
Beautiful. Now, let's imagine you're talking with a friend in English. Try to feel relaxed and conversational. Repeat after Lara and focus on natural rhythm.
Hey, how's your day going? I'm feeling great today. Thank you for asking. I went for a walk this morning and the weather was amazing. I love talking about little things that make me happy. Speaking English helps me connect with people from all around the world.
That's the magic of language. It connects hearts, not just words. And that's why shadowing is more than pronunciation practice. It's about learning to express emotion, confidence, and warmth through your voice.
Yes, and the more you shadow, the more natural your tone becomes. Let's keep practicing with some sentences that strengthen both pronunciation and positivity. I'm becoming more fluent with every word I speak. I'm comfortable speaking English with anyone. I don't compare myself to others. I focus on my own progress. Learning English is a long journey, and I'm enjoying every step. I'm proud of myself for not giving up.
That's it. And, if you practice like this for even 10 minutes a day, you'll notice your confidence growing. Your words will start to flow more naturally, and you'll think in English more often.
Exactly. When you shadow daily, your brain begins to connect sounds automatically. Soon, you won't have to translate. English will just flow. Let's continue with some powerful, motivational sentences to build that belief. I am confident when I speak English. My voice is strong and clear. I learn quickly and remember easily. Every time I practice, I'm getting closer to fluency. I'm excited to speak English in real conversations.
I love that last one. I'm excited to speak English. That's the right attitude. If you enjoy the process, you'll learn much faster. Let's do one more big round before we wrap up today's session.
Here we go. Speak with energy and confidence. I can do this. English is part of my daily life now. I don't worry about mistakes. I learn from them. I'm becoming the kind of person who speaks confidently. Fluent English is my goal, and I'm reaching it step by step. That's it. Powerful and positive. Now, let's end today's practice with 3 strong affirmations. Say them like you mean them. I am confident. I am improving. I am fluent in progress. Beautiful! That's the spirit we love here at TutorTalk English. You've just completed day 3 of your Shadowing English Speaking Challenge, and you're doing an amazing job. You're building a daily habit that's changing how you speak and how you feel. Keep practicing every day, even for a few minutes. The more you use your voice, the more fluent you'll become.
Remember,
Fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to keep going. Come back tomorrow for day 4, where we'll practice natural conversations and emotional tone. It's going to be fun and super effective.
Until then, stay positive, keep smiling, and keep speaking English out loud. We believe in you, and we're proud of you.
Take care, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow on TutorTalk English.